Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Happy New
Good
Year,
morning, ma'am.
Happy New Year, ma'am. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, ma'am. Good morning.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Morning,
So you
ma'am.
all can you all
Good
see me?
morning.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I can see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How are you all doing?
Good, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Fine,
How
ma'am.
was your new
Great.
year?
Fine, ma'am. You?
Hello.
What about you?
Yeah, ma'am.
How was your new year?
Ma'am, ভালো গেছে, ma'am.
Quite good.
Hello, Acha. So did you all
Celebrated
go
nicely
out
with our family.
Just
with your
started.
family? Okay. So what was the what did you all do? Cook good food or just enjoyed food made by your mom?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So where were we? What were we doing? If you all remember. Yeah. What were we doing?
And we were
IQ
studying that
to
AQ,
SQ.
IQ. Yeah, that part.
Okay. So let's go to, give me a second.
Hello, ma'am. Happy New Year.
Hi, Happy New Year. How are you all doing? So you didn't tell me. So some of you said, one of you said like family with the family, and then what about rest of them? Watched some new movie, something like that? What did you all do?
হ্যাঁ, ma'am. পিকনিক করেছি, ma'am.
Oh, you went for picnic? Where?
বাড়িতেই করেছি বন্ধুদের সাথে।
Oh, that's nice. Did you cook all by yourself, like your friends and you?
না, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
পুরোপুরি নয়। কিছু কিছু করেছি। পকোড়া।
Oh. So, guys, keep in mind that Samrat is going to arrange for picnics in our college if there is something, right, Samrat?
Yes, ma'am.
And
But
what about
সবাই কেউ বলছে ম্যাম প্রবলেম আছে, কেউ বলছে দেখছি, কেউ really খুব একটা reply দিচ্ছে না, কারোর কাছে খুব একটা response পাচ্ছি না। কথা ভাবছি। বলছে, না বলে আমার কাছে কিছু করার নেই, না একা তো আমি কিছু করতে পারি না।
Yeah, I get that. Well, and what about the others? Rest of you? So many of you are
Ma'am,
there. What all you did?
কোনো প্ল্যান ছিল না ম্যাম।
I was in my home.
দিয়েছি শুয়েছি, ফোনে ফেসবুকে দেখেছি যারা গেছে ঘুরতে লাইক কমেন্ট ব্যাস।
Yeah,
ম্যাম
that's a good thing.
বন্ধুদের বলেছিলাম যে পিকনিক করব, সবাই বলে কর, টাকার বেলা এলে যখন সবাই কেটে পড়েছে, বলে মামার বাড়ি যাওয়া আছে।
Okay, so all that you all have to say. Don't you think you can say that in English? Try. You can try that, right?
ম্যাম ইংলিশটা অতটা কমফোর্টেবল ফিল করি না ম্যাম, তাছাড়াও অনেক গ্রামারে ভুল যাবে, সেই কারণে ম্যাম বলতে ভয় লাগে সবার সামনে, বন্ধুদের মাঝে তো।
Nobody knows better. Believe me, কেউ বেশি জানে না. Everybody knows a little bit of it. So, and let me tell you, speaking English and knowing English language is completely different thing, right? Like I can talk Bangla, and you see how horrible Bangla sometimes I do talk. My Bangla is now very good, very good. I consider myself very proud.
Yes, ma'am, that's it.
And
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm very, very proud of going and talking in Bangla. But I can't write and like read. Of course, I fell in love with Rabindranath Tagore when I was in my college, and I did my English honors, right? So we had one of his Tagore's book, that The Home and the World, the Ghore Baire, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
From
ma'am.
there, I was so much in love with his.
খুব ভালো উপন্যাস ছিল।
Correct. So I could not even pronounce, those. So there was Lolita, right? So we used to say Lolita. So, you know, I know that is not the way you say it in Bangla. My accent, you know, everything. And from there, I wanted to read the Bengali version of Ghore, the Home and the World. That was the English version. So I wanted to read Ghore Baire. And that's how I started learning the script of Bengali. You know, I'm talking about my first year in my college, like when I was of your age. So, you know, and then I started learning the Bangla songs, the Rabindra Sangeet, and so a little bit of Bangla script I can still read, but if there is a twin word, I still face a problem. You know, I can't read as fast as you all can, but I can still try. So if I can do it when I started in my college, why can't you? It's English. Choto bala theke you all are learning English. Dekcho, shuncho. So I mean, it's not a big deal. And
Ma'am, ain't you a
Hashim,
Bengali?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to
who are there?
করছি।
How many of you are there? 90,
Ma'am.
90 people, 40 people are there, suppose. 40 of them will laugh, right? But isn't it better than to have a laughable feature than in your office where there will be 40,000 people? Don't you think you'll be more comfortable when you
Ma'am,
walk in? And
how was your first day of the year?
my first day was amazing. I think 31st, I went out with some friends in the evening to one of the places here. I don't know. That's a 5-star restaurant somewhere. I thought it's going to be great, but it was a little too crowded, and I didn't feel comfortable. So I came back, and the night I was talking, and the first was like wishing everyone New Year was a big thing. My half of my day was there. Then I went to my elders and got mishtis and did pranamas and all that, the basic Bengali ritual. And then I think I just made some food. That's how I didn't do much.
Ma'am,
So yeah.
ain't you a Bengali?
Yes, I am. Of course, I'm a Bengali. But the point here is I'm not brought up in Kolkata. So I'm from so I've been brought up in installments. I was in Shillong and I was in Kanpur in Delhi. I did my my graduation, post-graduation, my further studies all in Delhi. So I was working there. Then I shifted to US. Oh no, I was in Bombay. Then I shifted to US. So I never got a fair chance to talk in Bangla, but believe me, wherever I went, and whoever, like in schools, I remember there was one Bengali girl in class 6th and I was in 8th. So I would really rush to that girl and say, hey, are you Bengali? We'll talk in Bangla. So I used to be so happy to talk in Bangla.
ম্যাম
Yes.
ম্যাম আমাদের রুটিন করে দিয়েছেন যে 4টে না 5টা করে ক্লাস হবে ম্যাম রুটিনটা দেখেছেন ম্যাম তো ম্যাম আমাদের তো 2 জিবি করে নেট পাই ম্যাম তো যদি ভিডিও মোড অন করে
আমি 1.5
ক্লাস
GB পাই।
করান তো ম্যাম আমরা
ম্যাম আমরা
পুরো
1.5
ক্লাসটা
পাই।
কমপ্লিট করতে পারবো না তাই যদি আপনি
আমার 1
মোড
GB
অফ
দেয়।
করে করেন তো
You know what we can
আমাদের
do?
1.5 GB।
Yes. So, see, you have to understand one thing, okay? For communication classes, see, it's not I who's going to talk. It's you who have to talk, right? And I'm going to help you in your wherever you need, right? So,
Yes,
in
ma'am,
that
আপনার
case,
ক্লাসে তো ভিডিও অন করতেই হবে, না হলে একটা যে বিষয় সংক্রান্ত ক্লাস হচ্ছে।
you know how you can save what we can do is for a particular suppose একজনের কাছে আসছে, like one of you will get the chance that time probably you switch on the video and you can switch it off when you're not talking. That is the only thing I think. And but in group activities, in places where you all are, say 3 of you are working or 5 of us are working, you will have to have the video a little bit, otherwise it's going to be difficult for us, especially in my class, because I don't want you to be overloaded with loads of notes and stuff. Do you want a class like that? I mean, I can obviously we'll share notes and stuff when we are doing the topic, but more importantly, get involved. Ekটু বেশি কথা বলো, like the regular talk that I'm doing to you. সেটাই do it in English and whatever English. And don't worry, if you're thinking my English is weak, who told you that? মানে it's all in your mind. কেউ বলেছে খুব বাজে ইংলিশ বলছো? আমাকে তো everybody tells me like your Bengali is horrible, so I never stopped talking then also. So it's all in your mind, it's all about, it's in the mind. Maybe you are not fluent, that's fine, because you don't speak it often. If I start speaking Bengali every day, আমার খুব ভালো বাংলা হয়ে যাবে. Yes.
Ma'am, did you go to church on December 25?
No, I did not. I didn't go. No way. No. So I'm not able to find out that presentation. Just a second, okay? Give me a moment. So we're going to do that IQ, SQ. So before we get into these things, you have to understand what psychologically, where are you getting stuck? You're getting stuck because you're thinking like, I cannot talk. আমি জানি না, আমার ইংলিশ খুব খারাপ. Who told you? কে বলেছে ইংলিশ খারাপ? Anything that is bad, ওটা তো ঠিক হতেই পারে, right? You can always come to perfection. Payal, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So whoever in this whole lot, you're thinking like, আমার English খুব খারাপ. Don't worry about the written English. We'll do grammar. I'll teach you how to write corporate letters, how to be. But first, start talking. Like general conversation that we were doing today in the morning. Like, how are you?
Ma'am,
How was your day?
আমি ম্যাম মাঝে মাঝে মৌমি আছে ম্যাম, মৌমির সাথে একটু বলি, কিন্তু ম্যাম অনেক ভুল হয়, মৌমি সেগুলো ধরিয়ে দেয়.
So what? You talk to me also.
ইয়েস ম্যাম, স্টার্ট করবো এখন, একটু আগে নিজে প্র্যাকটিস করে নি.
Ma'am, can you hear me clearly?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
ম্যাম পজ হয়ে গেছে। এই যা কি হলো?
Pause হয়ে গেছে ম্যাম।
Hello?
ম্যাম pause হয়ে গেছে।
Yeah,
Ma'am,
can you
it is
hear me now?
paused.
Ma'am, it is paused.
Someone has started.
ম্যাম দেখতে শুনতে পাচ্ছি, দেখতে পাচ্ছি ম্যাম। যা
Ma'am,
Can you
green
see me now?
screen appear. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Someone sharing his screen. আলোকিতা কে রে? স্ক্রিন অন করেছে।
Alokita is your teacher.
Oh, sorry.
That's what happens when you're not in the
অবস্থা
class.
সত্যি মারি তোরা কি
Okay, listen. Now we have to maintain certain decorum. Okay, when you're in the class, you're not kids anymore, right? You're not in school. Tomorrow you're going to start working, so you have to have a particular decorum. You cannot behave like you are in a school, right? So certain times when you're talking, এই যে আমরা যখন কথা বলছি, we will have to have certain kind of language, like where you show it's not like only in written language when you say that it's my humble request, respected ma'am, respected sir. It's not always written, but when you're talking, you're also talking to the person and putting an impression, right? Whether you're talking to the person, anybody, I mean, irrespective of that person is like, I'm a faculty, or you're talking to your friends. Sorry. Whether you're talking to your friends or you're talking to me, so you have to keep everybody in one parallel line, which means you have to show respect even to your fellow mates. You also have to show respect to your friends. So they're not like really, you will not consider like really friends, because you don't talk to your friends in a quite respected way. Why we want to bring this culture in? Because once you start doing it, it becomes easier for you when you step in the corporate world. Like when you start working with your colleague, with your teammate, with your team lead, তখন you will have a certain behavior, right? You will not behave like he's your schoolmate. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely.
Neither can you have everybody in your friend list, right? Like I'll give you an example. Like when we there is a lot of chat session, like we have this group. So there is no harm in talking about generalized things, but when you cross that limit of understanding what your generalized statements are, there probably you have to check on your communication. There you have to check on your personality type, like how we were doing the EQ, SQ, IQ. You remember that? A quick recap.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Just a second. Just give me a second. So yeah, so that day when we were talking about the IQ, SQ, EQ, and AQ. Now, if you remember, what was the IQ that I explained you? What is that part of your personality? The IQ part.
Yes, ma'am. IQ part is a ability of knowledge.
Yeah, ability of
Ability to
understanding.
reasoning.
Yeah, ability of grasping anything that is the knowledgeable part of it, where you use your brains to adapt and regain that particular knowledge sector, right? That is your IQ.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I was seeing everybody was talking initially. Why is now everybody not talking? Okay.
Ma'am, your
Okay. So,
Ma'am, your video is paused.
yeah, I'm here. I was just checking with the chat if anybody was writing. I want you all to talk, chat, so that you are not. I want to listen to you also. Here we are talking about your understanding of what IQ is. You understood that part of yourself. So you know that how intelligent you are. Like an IQ, a very strong IQ person is considered to be intelligent, right? And people have a lot of value
Yes.
addition to that. Like যে ইন্টেলিজেন্ট হবে তার জন্য প্রচন্ড অনেক ভ্যালুজ আছে, রাইট?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What about yeah. Can you all hear me?
Yes,
ম্যাম
ma'am.
ডবল
Yes,
স্ক্রিন
ma'am.
হয়ে
Yes,
গেছে।
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ম্যাম আপনার স্ক্রিনটা ডাবল হয়ে গেছে মানে স্ক্রিন স্প্লিটেড
I don't know how to do that. That's fine. You can see me double.
No
I have
problem,
no issue.
ma'am. You can carry on.
Yeah. Okay. So we're talking about it is just one part of your personality. But in our society, if you see that a person who is very intelligent, he has a more value, value addition to his personality, isn't it? এরকম হয় কি না?
Yes,
Like in the school, if there is one child who is very good or intelligent, they would say that the ছেলেটা খুব ভালো খুব intelligent হচ্ছে। ভালো and intelligent, there is a difference, right? You have to understand. Intelligence is a part of his personality. Like your behavior, your attitude, your dealing with things, these are also equally important. Like they are equal to, nothing is greater or smaller. But that's how our society has brought in mind. The society has got these things in the mind. Similarly, the social skills, your social quotient. We did speak about the social quotient, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
About I explained you a little bit of it, right?
Yes.
Yes, no, I forgot, ma'am, explain me again. I mean, I'm sure there is some feedback. Kichu to question answers hobe, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Momi, you remember what is the social quotient is?
Ma'am, better if you explain it once.
Okay,
It
okay.
is the
Very strong.
মানে এটা হচ্ছে যে সমাজে যে সমস্ত রুলস মানে টু ওবে দ্য রিচুয়ালস এন্ড দ্য রুলস ইন আওয়ার সোসাইটি।
Yes, to an extent, yes. It is like how I started explaining you, saying that the society that we live in, okay, there are certain rules and regulations that we follow, right?
Yes.
Whether where it has come from, we are not going into that, or whether we should follow it or not, we're not getting into this argument. What I'm trying to say is, like, you stay in a society, so there is some legal rules, there are some police rules, there are some society rules, there are some community rules, then you know there are some family rules, then like certain rituals that we have been following, like in Diwali everybody will lit their house, like in I give you examples of the marriage ceremony, right? Like if you go to a marriage ceremony, you think you can dress up like wearing a pajama and going to sleep. Somebody said yes, I know, but can you really do that?
No, ma'am, it's very awkward.
It's going to be awkward, right? I mean, at a biye barite you're going and you're not like you're just wearing something that you wear in your bedroom. You cannot get in. Like why will you not do it? It's not that you cannot do it, but you become an oddsman out and you become a factor of laughter.
Yes, ma'am.
The factors. Hello, can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a factor for others to laugh at you. Similarly, if you go to a Shraddh, a funeral house, like in a Shraddh Bari, usually will you go like you're dressed up in a Gebari? Will you wear a gorgeous sari and makeup?
No, ma'am.
Or
No, ma'am.
you won't.
That is the
Unless,
nothing.
yeah, I mean, obviously you're going to show a certain emotion to them. So even your dressing up shows your personality, right? So basically what I'm trying to say is that this sense of understanding of how to carry yourself in a society, how to maintain relationship, whether it is personal relationship, whether it is formal relationship, whether it is a relationship with your client. So all these factors, like when you start working, you'll see that you have different clients, right? So when you're talking to your clients, usually you also know about that person, right? That how that person is feeling, how that person is going through. Suppose if there is something going on in their family, is not always available, or he's going through a bad time, so you send some cards or gifts on in Diwali for wishing their family. Isn't that happens?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly when we are in the we are in a college or in a school, right? You all celebrate Teachers Day, you celebrate in a fest where you know there are ways you come and talk to your faculties, your teachers. You create a rapport with that person. So not everybody can do it, only few of them can do it. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
So that skill, that is a skill. When you start working, say this medical representatives, they know a lot of doctors. Or for example, common example, I go to one particular doctor. Why? Because I feel comfortable, because he talks to me and he gives me some good lines, says that don't worry, you'll be fine, I've given you medicine. it's going to heal you immediately. There's one kind of a doctor, you go to another doctor. Sorry?
ম্যাম একটু একটু মানে বাংলায় ভালো হয়, মানে একদম
Oh,
ফুললি ইংলিশে।
okay. So what I'm saying is, suppose তোমরা একটা দুটো ডাক্তার এক্সাম্পল, I'm giving you the example of social skill এর এক্সাম্পল দিচ্ছি। আমাদের মধ্যে যেটা সোশ্যাল স্কিল আছে, যেটা আমরা কখনো এক্সপ্লোর করি না, হয়তো কনসিয়াসলি করি না, সাবকনসিয়াসলি অনেক সময় আমাদের হয়। Okay, for example, যেরকম suppose we go to a doctor, ঠিক আছে, একটা ডক্টরের কাছে তুমি যাচ্ছ, and that doctor, one of them is saying like, you know, I have given you medicines, you're going to feel absolutely fine, খুব ভালো লাগবে, তোমার শরীর ঠিক হয়ে যাবে দুদিনেই, and তুমি এরপরেই একদম ফটাফট কাজ করতে শুরু করে দেবে, and then you automatically start feeling good. You go to another doctor, he says nothing, and he says, I have given you the medicine, kichu bolche na, but they would say that ami oshud likhe diyechi, eta khan, thik hoye jabe. Where do you think you're going to be comfortable? Tomar ki rokom mane kar songe comfortable thakbe?
ফার্স্ট ডক্টর।
পার্সোনাল ডক্টর হবে তার সাথে,
রাইট? একটা ডাক্তার হেসে তোমাকে যদি বলছে যে, you know, you'll be fine, don't worry, he pats you on the back, সেরকম don't you think you'll be more comfortable and you will feel better before you actually heal? ঠিক হওয়ার আগেও তোমার ওটা ভালো লাগবে কিনা শুনতে?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So that is the social skill of that doctor, not the IQ that is, you know, leading him to you. That is the social skill. And suppose, you know, jeta hoy barite, like most of the time when a young child comes or a little child comes, you generally offer a chocolate, or when you go to your relative's house, amra hate mishti niye jai, you know, all those things, those are also your social skills. Why you're doing that? So that you can maintain a relationship, right? The awareness of doing something,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Like
Yes,
there's some trendy skills, কয়েকটা হয় যেটা হলো fashionable things, like, you know, the lot of birthday parties, they give you a return gift. Well, the social quotient is taken care of, but then it's quite fashionable. But certain sense that a person would have automatically, that is basically your social skill. Like when you see somebody, a child crossing the road, probably it's not their child, but you know, an old person, you help that person, কেউ গাড়িতে উঠতে পারছে না, বাস থেকে নামতে পারছে না, you know, sometimes, you know, you give your hands, হাত দিয়ে you help that person, কেউ কিছু ওঠাতে পারছে না ভারী জিনিস, তোমরা কেউ, you know, not everyone, but you know, some people do that kind of extra effort to portray their personality. থাকে তো এরকম personalities, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know how many of you do it, but think about it. If you're not doing something like that, then probably tomar social skill ta kom ache. So you have to consciously start doing it. Like when you're walking, like you've seen, right, ছেলেদের মধ্যে মেয়েদের মধ্যে তো when you, like, I have seen a lot of people, when you're in the lift থেকে নামার সময়, they just, the moment the door opens in the lift, they just barge in, but se ঢুকে যায়, they don't wait for the other person to come out, and then obviously, right, those are basic small manners and the social awareness skills. Another example, like when you suppose you're getting out of the car, you're holding your mom, or gari dorja khule rakha, ba, you know, helping the other person in that, these are also part of your gestures which you will need immensely in your personality when you start going out, if you have to change yourself. This is called polishing yourself. Like when you're talking, even when you're talking, you know, you're saying yes, please, can you please, you know, basic social skills. It's usually not there around the place where I see, it's not usually there. So what you all should do, you all should inherit that, you all should start practicing it. কিরকম করে? By doing it for yourself. নিজের বাড়ির জন্য. Charity begins at home. You know, if a child is always given like how many times do you say thank you to your mom? Ke bolo? Tell me. Honestly. So moms made. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. আরেকবার বলুন।
No, I praise my mom, but never.
Thank you. You say thank you for your mom, for mom doing something for you, or your dad doing something for you.
Yes,
Like
ma'am. Yes,
your
ma'am.
mom
Thank you,
made
ma'am.
amazing food.
I praise them, but I never call. I never tell thank you.
So what about others?
Ma'am,
Nilanjan
I do,
doesn't
ma'am.
say.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I do.
No, ma'am,
Ma'am.
I don't even
No,
say
ma'am.
it. But I praise them actually. Like London.
You
Yes,
praise,
ma'am.
okay. So এখন থেকে কি করতে হবে? Like when your mom makes say good food, you have to say that you're gonna praise her, but you're gonna also say thank you so much for making this for me. Thank you for the food. Like children around me, they have to say thank you to me to give them food. You know, it begins right there, because যখন একটা জিনিস, you know, it becomes a habit, then you don't feel awkward. আজকে all of a sudden, after so many years, your mom will also be surprised when you go and say thank you to her, but then she deserves a thank you. How many of you said thank you to your dad or dad, brother, sister, wherever, like for doing something, or you hugged, or you know, you said thank you after giving a tight hug? Okay, tell me your situations. Tell me one situation for you all. Mommy, yes. Mommy, you were saying something. Hello, can you all hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We can hear you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can
Okay.
hear you.
So you all have to tell me, give me situation, একটা situation বলো যখন তোমরা এরকম কিছু স্পেশাল করেছো. Your social skills.
Yeah, actually, I said many times thank you to my elder brother, because he actually teaches me many things and he guides me how to walk through life actually. So that's why I say thank you to him actually.
Oh, that's very nice. What about others? Only Shomodeep says. Looks like no one else says thank you.
Ma'am, actually, I never thank anyone of my family.
So now,
Ma'am,
Nilanjan,
actually, Nilanjan thanks me a lot, and he is not accepting
Okay.
that now. I also thank him, and he also thanks me for helping out each other, but he is not accepting. I don't know why.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. I don't accept
Okay.
it.
Oh, okay. Okay, what about others? 102 people. I can see 103 people logged in. How many of you say thank you? How many of you take care of the social skills?
I'm actually, hello, ma'am.
I'm lucky to take care of it.
Yeah. So what do you do for that? Like you maintain relationships, you do something special for you know, taking care of. So it's about যেটাকে বলে very sensitive, you know, certain things which is not said, বলা হয় না, but that person automatically gets it and
একটু
behaves.
বাংলায় বলতেন তাহলে ভালো হতো।
Yeah, I'm saying in Bangla. This is what I'm saying in Bangla. If you listen to me carefully, what's your name? Anshu, right? Who
Hello,
was
ma'am.
saying about? Yeah, Anshu,
Hello.
right? Yes, Anshu.
সম্রাট।
Okay, Shamrat.
Yes, ma'am.
So Shamrat, I am saying in Bangla. Listen to me carefully. I mean, এর আগে I explained in Bangla. Okay, so I said. So what are you wanting to know? The social skill জানতে চাইছো? কোনটা কে
Yes, ma'am.
বলছে?
Yes,
So
yes.
I said, social skill is a part of your personality, which personality একটা part যেটা তোমার ভিতরের social skill কাকে বলছে, like যেটা awareness of going into a society তে থাকার জন্য তোমার যে যেই জিনিসগুলো করার দরকার হয়, করণীয়, so the things which is needed, সেইটা awareness গ্রো করাটা, সেই অ্যাওয়ারনেসটা নিজের মধ্যে থাকাটা is called the social skill. Like যেটা আমি বলছিলাম যে বিয়ে বাড়িতে when you go, you know, a particular place, forget বিয়ে বাড়ি, suppose you know you go to perform in a place, ঠিক আছে, গান গাইতে যাচ্ছ বা গান শুনতে যাচ্ছ, you will have a particular way of dressing up, right? তুমি যদি বাড়ির পরিষ্কার করার কাজ করছো, তখন obviously you will not wear the party clothes and clean your house, right?
Yes.
এই অ্যাওয়ারনেসটা কিরকম করে আসছে, এই জিনিসটা মাথায় তোমার কিরকম করে আসছে? either you have seen or you are following that is happening around you, correct?
Yes.
সাপোজ তুমি তোমার বাড়ির পাশে দেখছো যে there is a mishap, কোনো একটা অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়েছে, what happens, you automatically run to help that person, or you try to যেটা করার দরকার সেটা করছো, right? কেউ বলে দিচ্ছে,
Yes. No.
it happens from your inside, from your, you know, the awareness যে তোমার এটা করা উচিত. Maybe you should call the doctor, maybe you should call the ambulance, তার ওটা তখন দরকার, right? If somebody is crying or somebody is sad, তার সামনে গিয়ে তোমরা হাসবে? Will you laugh around, joke around?
No. তাকে বোঝানো উচিত, তখন তাকে বোঝানো উচিত।
For example, আমরা কলেজে আছি, I come in the class and you are joking and laughing and you know, enjoying. Is that the way you will do, or you will maintain a particular decor? Similarly, তুমি যখন অফিসে যাচ্ছ, তখন you have a set of dress to wear. ডিস্কো যাওয়ার মতন জামা কাপড় পরবে অফিসে যখন যাবে?
Obviously no, ma'am.
না ম্যাম, ঢুকতে দেবে না তাহলে আর ঢুকতে দেবে না।
Obviously not.
Correct. Yeah, you're going to suppose you're going for your a very important meet, Momi, and she dresses up like she's going for a date. Cholbe?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. So, right? All these are like the way of, these are awareness টা তোমার মাথায় আসছে যে না এটা পরবো না। ইন্টারভিউর জন্য you have a particular set of decision, এটা পরা উচিত, এটা পরবো না, maybe this color that is going to look dark, you know, এই যে awareness টা, that is your social skill, and it is hugely lacking at times, I find out. And সেই জন্য I am telling you that it is something, it's about habit and practice, যেটা তোমাদেরকে এখন থেকেই করতে হবে। বিকজ এরকম তো হয় না, রাইট, যে স্প্লিট পার্সোনালিটি তো হচ্ছে না তোমরা, রাইট, যে আজকে আমার কলেজে না আমি এরকম বিহেভ করব, আবার যখন আমার ম্যাম সামনে আসবে বা আমি যখন অফিসে যাব তখন আমি ওরকম বিহেভ করব। ক্যান ইউ চেঞ্জ ইউর ওয়েজ? I mean, unless you are a chameleon, you cannot, right? You cannot change your colors. You are one person. একটা person নিজেকে আছে, how you refine it. সেজন্য I always insist that these sessions or these workshops are for you to understand who you are. আজকে নিজেকে find করে দেখো যে কোথায়, where you are standing, what is your skill. If you think আমার IQ strong আছে, SQ, তারপরে I'll tell you how to deal with it. But if you think like I am very good with dealing people, like আমি you know, with my family, I always কিছু বানিয়ে খাওয়াই, কিছু you know, whenever কোনো বাচ্চা আসছে বা mama's friends আসছে, I make something for them, or whenever I go and meet my, you know, relatives, my aunts, my uncles, আমি সবসময় মিষ্টি নিয়ে যাচ্ছি মাসি পিসিদের বাড়ি, all those, not because that sometimes it is like from the family values that is given to you, that this is how you have to do it, and sometimes it's like your own consciousness. তোমাদেরকে যেটা find out করতে হবে, how strong you are with your own conscious level, how strong you are to understand that what is your limit and criteria in particular situations. Similarly, like if you have to have a decorum in at your work, at your institution, in your office, then obviously there is time, like তুমি যদি friends দের সঙ্গে ডিস্কে যাচ্ছ, obviously you'll not sit like you are sitting in an office, right? But again, the enjoyment level has to be refined. It's not that you go and you do whatever you want to, and then automatically next day you become what you are. You cannot do like that, right? So the limits, has to be defined by you. So you all are the best. It's just that it's about the refinement. It's about the senses. It's the sense that you have inside you. Am I able to make you understand? আমি কি বোঝাতে পারছি তোমাদেরকে?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it is very important তোমাদের জন্য to sit down today and think about what are your social skills. তুমি আজ অব্দি social skills এ কি কি করেছো, মানে কোথায় কোথায় নিজেকে আইডেন্টিফাই করেছো, আর যদি না করেছো then why, কেন করনি? Because তুমি এটা জানতে না, or তোমার বাড়িতে somebody else is doing it, or you were not aware of it, মানে it was not there in your mind. If it is not there in your mind, that means you have to start doing it. Just like আমি এখন যেরকম বললাম, একটা simple thing, like when your mom makes good food, so you say like, to make the other person feel good, thank you বলে বলবে না, একটা চকলেট নিয়ে এসে বলবে না, how you going to make the other person feel good, better? Or what is that extra thing you did for your your favorite teacher, or your friend, or your best friend, or for a neighbor who was in need, or it can be anything you can think of. সবাই ভাবনা চিন্তাতে পড়ে গেছে. Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so maybe you should figure out like what are your social skills and how strong you are in it. You don't have to tell me, I will figure it out, but for yourself, for your own refinement, for your own polishing, you will need that. And believe me, people with higher social questions, SQ level and EQ level, go way beyond higher in life, because একটা level এর পর in corporate, I can tell you, there's something called networking. You understand that, right? Networking জানো কাকে বলে?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Somewhat.
You know networking, right? So you try and connect with different people with different industry, so you keep connections, like you must have met a lot of people, right? এরকম বাড়িতে families এরকম থাকে, right? A lot of people যারা বলে যে I have that uncle, he has a lot of connections, right? What do you mean by
Yes,
connections? Does he give money? No, it's about his social quotient. Probably he's maintaining those professional relationships. Like if I am a businessman, I will have my clientele kader bole, who are called clienteles? Anybody who are called clienteles? Sorry, Avinash, say it again.
Clients,
Ma'am, the clients.
Correct.
the group of clients actually.
Yes, a group of clients. Yes, the number of different clients that you have, that is your clientele. So you are maintaining your social quotient with your clientele. সেটা তোমাকে করতে হচ্ছে. So at this level, in where you are today, all you have to maintain is your relationship with people around you, your family, your friends, your institution people, your faculties. This is your clientele for now. And how well you get involved, how well see yourself, তুমি কোথায়, like এরকম হয়, right? একজন one person in the group you wait for XYZ ও যদি আসে না তো like Samrat, he did that picnic, right? So I'm sure তার পিকনিকের মধ্যে একজন would be one person you would have যে you know like একটু জমিয়ে রাখে, the entertaining person, that person is always called, right? বন্ধুদের মধ্যে you have that one person, right? যার নাম নিয়ে you would say that okay ও আসলে তো খুব মজা হবে, or one person that who is very likable, যাকে তোমরা খুব পছন্দ করছো, সে যদি না আসে you feel sad like ও আসলে খুব ভালো হতো. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, এটা আমাদের মধ্যে হয়, আমাদের মধ্যে এটাই হয়।
Correct. So that part is basically the social skill of that person. That person has a personality which is very likable. So what does that person do? That you have to, we will tell you that also, but you have to realize what you are good at. So this was your SQ. So everybody is clear with IQ and SQ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else who wants to ask something? Any doubts, anything that's there in the mind? So SQ is clear.
I have observed many times that if I speak to someone in English, he never replies my answers. Oh, sorry, my questions. He never replies my questions, answers. He's just look like a he's not thinking anything about.
That probably that person doesn't understand English then. Is that so? Because whenever you asked me anything, Avinash, I answered you back, and you can speak and I can understand the English that you say. So I don't think so there is any reason for someone not answering. Either that person is not attentive, or that person doesn't understand the language, or probably that person is not interested.
Thank you.
Yeah, so it cannot happen like somebody is not listening. Probably we did that communication cycle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So remember, yeah, the barriers that I was talking about. Sometimes it's a psychological barrier.
Language barrier, understanding.
Yeah, so that psychological barrier is somebody is not ready to talk to you. Like if you don't like someone, you will not want to talk to that person. যাকে পছন্দ না আমি তার সঙ্গে কথাই বলতে চাই না, হয়তো this is there in the mind, human psychology.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like if you like if you start liking a girl, তখন ওই মেয়েটা সব ভালো লাগে, right? You want to listen everything about that girl. The moment you don't like that girl, যেদিন থেকে ওই মেয়েটাকে ভালো লাগছে না, then you will not even like anything to listen about that girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So
Our IQ vanishes at that time. The first case scenario. Actually, the IQ, our IQ vanishes at that time. Actually, in the first case scenario, like we are being biased about that girl or that boy, or vice versa.
Yes, so that's why they say, right, love is blind. At times you don't logically think, and if you are logically thinking, then you would never fall in love. So yes, that is true. So basically your your social quotient, what we were talking about, is a very, very important skill in a person, and that skill should keep growing so much in a person that with age it refines your personality, and it takes you way ahead in your success level. Like there were a lot of experiments which were made by scientists and psychologists who found out that people with stronger SQ and EQ balance, they go way higher in their life, way higher. Because IQ is something you have to upgrade, but that can never take you higher in your life, because after a certain level in your career, it is more about how you're interacting with your clients, how you're putting your knowledge into power. You're putting your knowledge into the action of your career progress. So that is why SQ and EQ. We'll come to the EQ part. I'm going to start. We're going to run short of time for EQ, but I'm going to start with it. So SQ and IQ is clear, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we're talking about the emotional quotient. Just in case you forgot the slide, it's like that. I can do. Did I send you the slide in the picture in the group?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I did. Okay. So the emotional quotient. Now, social quotient is something that people can see, right? Exhibiting yourself, like how you are in front of the people. Loke jeta dekhte pacche tomar moddhe, the personality that they can see you. The EQ is something what others cannot see you, but they still represent your personality, your emotional quotient. It's all inside. This is the psychological part of a person, like how you can handle your own emotions or how you are getting affected by the other's emotion, how you are controlling your own emotion depending on the outside situation. It is a huge way in a deal with your personality, because when you are dealing with yourself, sometimes it's difficult. Sometimes you do share your emotional quotient with very close people, but again, if that falls, that is a default, like if that person doesn't understand you, that affects you emotionally again, right? So people with,
Yes, ma'am.
now listen to this part very carefully, এই জায়গাটা ভালো করে শোনো, যাদের সোশ্যাল স্কিল ভালো আছে তাদের ইমোশনাল কোয়েশ্চেনটা একটু বেটার হয়। Why? কেউ বলতে পারবে why? Look at this. I said, যাদের social skillটা, this part of your personality is bigger, তাদের EQ-টা is a little better, because this quite is dependent on this. Can you tell me
কারণ
why?
কথা বলে, কারণ তারা সোশ্যাল যারা হয় তারা বেশি লোকের সাথে কথা বলে, তাই জন্য তারা
Correct.
বেশি জানে।
Correct.
Ma'am,
So when
even
you are
they even understand what to say and what not to say, because they are socially more clear.
correct, yes, absolutely, like your emotion টা কি হয়, emotion,
তোমার সাথে
you know
কথা
what,
বললে নিজের এক্সপিরিয়েন্স বেড়ে যায় আর কি।
correct,
কথা বলে কারোর
that
সাথে আলাপ করার একটা এক্সপিরিয়েন্স থাকে, মানে কারোর সাথে মানে হঠাৎ অচেনা কারোর সাথে কথা বলতে গেলে কিরকম ভাবে কথা বলা স্টার্ট করতে হবে সেরকম একটা এক্সপিরিয়েন্স তৈরি হয়ে যায়, ওই জন্যই।
yeah, that is also true. No, but I'm so sorry for this background noise. You can hear a lot of background noise right here today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because there's some work is going on. Yeah. So what I want to make you all understand is the emotion kake bole. What is emotion? You know, it is a motion. মানে এটাকে motion বলা হয় because the feelings that comes and goes, যেই ফিলিংটা আসে সেটা কিন্তু একটা টাইমের পর সাবডিউড হয়ে যায়, মানে চলে যায়, আস্তে আস্তে চলে যায় বা ওটা ফেড হয়ে যায়। The emotion is not always the same. It changes with time, it changes with person, it changes with situation. এরকম হয় না অনেক সময় তুমি খুব রেগে যাও and you just want to say anything and everything and you don't want to see somebody's face, তারপরে কেউ বোঝালো, তোমার মাথা ঠান্ডা হলো, then you probably listen and then you sort out. তো ওই রাগের ইমোশনটা এসে ফেড আউট হয়ে যায়, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, যখন you start feeling sad, you feel bad, completely depressed or something, তখন তোমার মানে you don't want to think anything, nothing happy thoughts come in, কিচ্ছু বোঝা যায় না, ভাবা যায় না, again you know, you try to distract your mind and everything, then aste aste ওই thought টা বেরিয়ে যায়, and then you feel a little better. So emotions are the motion of feelings that rushes into your mind and it fades out, it goes away. তাই জন্য ওটাকে মোশন বলা হয়, because it doesn't stay. So you have to understand যে যখন ওই ইমোশনটা তোমাকে হিট করে, any emotion, sad, happy, curiosity, anxiety, any kind of emotion that hits you at that particular time for a particular situation, that will definitely go. But কিরকম করে ওটা যাবে, কিরকম করে you have to deal your personality, সেটা is something, is your question, that is your skill. এইটা একটা skill. কয়েকজন হয় যারা already they know how to handle their skills, আর কেউ কেউ জানে না, তখন what we do, we give them tools, we give them techniques, right? এরকম ছোট বাচ্চাদের বলা হয়, right, when you're very angry, keep quiet, breathe in and out, count till 10 to 1, উল্টো count করতে হয়, right? These are the tools যেগুলো দেওয়া হয়, যেগুলোর জন্য তোমার রাগটা for that particular, ওই যে হিট করে যখন রাগটা, ওই সময়ের ইমোশনটাকে calm down করার জন্য. That is why these tools were given. Like in yoga, they say, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. You heard these things, right? এগুলো শুনেছো?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So these are your emotions. Emotions, and dealing those emotions inside you is what we call as a skill. That we call as a skill. Eta একটা very essential skill, because tomorrow when you start working, or you're in an institution, you're in a company, you're in an organization, there will be, you know, like there will be different emotions around you, কতগুলোর সঙ্গে ডিল করবে. So to balance, একটা parallel mental balance রাখাটা is very important. Even in an institution, even in your schools, এখন তো অনেক স্কুলেও they talk about the emotional intelligence. The emotional intelligence is basically the intelligent way of dealing your emotions. Like for example, I mean basic বলছি, suppose you are working in an organization and একটা person, say Nilanjan, Samrat, Shomadeep, the three were working in one project. একটা প্রজেক্টে কাজ করছে, একটা ক্লায়েন্টের সঙ্গে কাজ করছে, but one of them says that Nilanjan gets the bonus more and he is going to lead the team from the next week, also the second project. So what about like when three of them have put the similar effort, তিনজনেই same effort দিয়েছে সারা দিন রাত, probably কেউ কিছু বেশি দিয়েছে, but only Nilanjan was identified, acknowledged. তখন what is the emotion rush in rest of you, both of you, Samrat and say Shobhit, কিরকম লাগবে তোমাদের?
মানসিক দিক থেকে কিছুটা ভেঙে পড়বে ওরা।
And to be honest, the mental state will not be very good, but we need to learn from actually what we have done, what we can do more.
Yes.
The first thing is emotionally you will be low, মানে emotionally তোমার একটু খারাপ লাগবে।
Yes, ma'am.
লাগবে,
Yes, ma'am.
because we are all human being. One person you will feel bad, but do you think ওই সময় suppose next day when you come to work you will have that enthu in your face? Maybe less, right? But these things should not be shown in the personality, তো দেখানো উচিত নয়. So you have to maintain a parallel balance and know how to, মানে এটা যেন তোমাকে এতটা affect না করে so that your next performance level goes down. যেটা হয় যে if you are emotionally low, obviously you don't perform well. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Of course.
তোমরা পড়ছো একটা পার্টিকুলার সাবজেক্টে কেউ কম নম্বর পেলে and you worked really hard but it did not turn out well বা তুমি for some reason the lectures were not great and you could not perform, তোমার নম্বর অনেকটা কম এসেছে, do you think you will be enthusiastic for the next classes?
No, ma'am, actually, little less enthusiastic, but we can actually learn from the previous experience, right? Like, rather than giving up completely.
Correct. So this is your handling emotions. We'll get into emotions a lot more. I'm going to talk about that. This part, basically a part of your personality. This is more of your psychological part of your personality, which plays a huge role in all the four of it. চারটে যে সেক্টর আছে তোমার IQ or SQ or AQ, I will explain it to you. এইটাতেও এটা কতটা এফেক্ট করে সবকিছুতে, and how it affects you yourself as a person and how it affects your performance. তোমার পারফরম্যান্সের উপরেও কতটা এফেক্ট করে. That is what you need to know. So I want you all to find out your social skills. I want you all to tell me that how well you handle your emotions. Okay, in my next class.
Okay, ma'am.
We have the
Okay,
class
ma'am.
till 12, right?
It's 12:10, I think so. Up to
ম্যাম
12:10.
নেক্সট
So we
ক্লাসে
have,
কি হবে বলেন একবার বলুন।
sorry, I said like our class is till 12:10. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am, it's 12:05.
No,
It's
ma'am.
12:05.
12:05.
12:05, ma'am.
Correct. Yes. So before, two things you all have to understand. একটা হলো, you all have to start talking and talk more. And believe me, কেউ হাসবে না, হাসার জন্য এই 5 জন আসবে, or 10 people will laugh. Believe me, who are laughing, they also don't know English. Mane, if I have to actually judge them in English, I'm not here to judge you. I'm here to help you. আমি তোমাদেরকে জাজ করার জন্য বসিনি, তোমাদেরকে হেল্প করার জন্য বসেছি। জাজ করার জন্য I will have you ready. তোমাদেরকে আমি রেডি করে দেবো যখন যেখানে জাজ করার জন্য পাঠানো হবে। But তার আগে তো, like I told you, if you have to learn swimming, you have to jump into the water. So whoever thinks যে আমার আমি ইংলিশ জানি না, একদম ভুল ভাবো, and I don't know where you got this concept. You all know English. Start talking. Like talking in general, like we are talking. এখন যেরকম general কথাবার্তা বলছি. You have to get accustomed to learning English, speaking English, understanding English. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
কেউ আমাকে এগ্রি করছে না, everybody is silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, so this is the resolution for you all in this year. Okay, you all going to be very good in English, talking to everybody in English. Okay, I'll help you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so
Really thank you.
and every faculty that you all are smart, confident, and you're ready to hit the organization, and you're not going to let me down. Amake, I don't know what is the let me down. What is the Bangla of let me down?
Ma'am, I
Amake-
understand, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's
I also don't know.
নিরাশ মানে নিরাশ করবেন
Nirash,
না এরকম something.
yeah, Nirash করবে না. So yes, okay, that's a promise from you guys. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am, done.
Sure, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you have a nice, great week. Work hard, and I'm going to see you
Yes,
soon.
ma'am.
Okay.
Same to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes.
Same to you, ma'am.
Same to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.